The question is, assume that the consumption C depends on income Y according to the function C equals to A plus BY, where A and B are parameters. If C is rupees 60 when Y is rupees 40 and C is rupees 90 when Y is 80, what are the values of parameter A and B? Find the consumption function also. Now I'm going to solve this question. Solution. Here, what is given? The relation is C is equals to A plus BY is the relation. And the two condition is given over here. They are C equals to rupees 60 when Y is equals to 40. Similarly, C is equals to rupees, cost is equals to rupees 90 when Y is equals to rupees 80. Let me change here. It should be capital Y. Okay. Now, what you need to do is when Y equals to 40 and then C equals to 60, that is, we'll substitute this value in equation 1. What is in 1? That is, it will be 60 is equals to A plus B into 60. Sorry, B into 40. Y is 40. Or A plus 40B is equals to 60. Let it be relation 2. Now moving towards also what is given when Y equals to 80 and then C is 90, then this equation 1 will be 90 is equals to A plus B into Y is 80, or A plus 80B equals to 90. Let it be relation 2. The two equations obtained, equation 2 and equation 3. Now we're going to solve these two. Means what you need to do is we'll subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. What you will get? Equation from 1, equation 2 means we'll write equation 2 first and then equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus 40B equals to 60. As we need to subtract means the sign will be change of equation first one. See, this A and A is cancelled. Now 80 minus 40 is 40B. 90 minus 60, that will be, it is 30, or B equals to 30 by 40. That means B will be 50 by 30 by 40, then you will get 0.75. The value of A and B is obtained. Now we'll substitute the value of B in equation 2. What will get in equation 2? We'll get A plus 40B is 3 by 4. We'll write 3 by 4 or 0.75 is equals to 60, or A plus 4 1 times is 10 time. 10 into 3 is 30 is equals to 60, or A will be 60 minus 30, or A equals to 30. The value of A is obtained. And now as the value of A and B is obtained, we need to find the function. It is mentioned find the consumption function also. Means first we need to find the parameters A and B. The parameter A is 30 and parameter B is 3 by 4, that is 0.75. Now we need to find the function. For that one, okay, what we'll do is now from equation 1. What is equation 1? Okay, let's see what is in equation 1. It is C equals to A plus BY. That is sorry. That is C equals to A plus by, or C, the value of A is 30, B is 0.75 y. Therefore C is equals to 30 plus 0.75 y. This is the required function. Now moving towards the second one, let's move on to the second question. The question is, a firm's find that its demand schedule takes the form P equals to A minus BQ. If 400 units are sold when price is rupees 50 and 300 units are sold when price is rupees 60, find the value of the parameters A and B. Find demand function also. We need to find the demand function. Okay, let's move onward. Solution here. What is given? The demand function is P is equals to A minus BQ. Let it be relation 1. We need to find the value of A and B, and we'll substitute over here. Then that is the value of the parameter AB, and demand function means we'll find the function. What is given here? P equals to this one. And then when what is given? Sorry, I made a mistake. When the price P equals to rupees 50, and then Q, the quantity equals to 300, then equation 1 will become, it will be, okay, let me draw it properly, or 50 is equals to A minus BQ equals to 300, or it will be A minus 300B equals to 50, or what we can do, A equals to, we can do 50 plus 300B, let it be relation 2. Also, what is given? When the price is rupees, price is equals to rupees. Mm, oh, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. What I'll do is that quantity quantity is 400. See, the quantity is 400, then price is 50. Then this equation 1 will become 50, or 50 equals to A minus B into 400, or this A will be A minus 400B equals to 50, or A will be equals to 50 plus 400B. Let it be relation 2. Also, what is given when the price is 60? Price is equals to 60. The quantity is equals to 300. And then this equation 1 will become, it will be written as, or 60 is equals to A minus B into 300, or 60 is equals to A minus 300B. For this, what we can do is, or A will be equals to, simply what we can do over here is we'll substitute the value of A over here. What is in A? What is the value of A in equation 2? It is 50 plus 400B minus 300. Since from equation 2, or 60 equals to 50, 400 plus 300, it is minus 300 equals to 100B, or 60 minus 50 equals to 100B, or 100B equals to 10, or B equals to, it will be 10 by 100, or B equals to 1 by 10, it is 0.1. The value of B is 0.1. Then we will substitute the value of B in equation, substituting the value of B in equation 1 or 2. Okay, in equation 2, what is in equation 2? It is A equals to 50 plus, that is what? A equals to 50 plus B. The value of B is 0.1, or A will be 50 plus 40, or A equals to 19. The value of the parameter is equals to 90. A equals to 90 and B equals to 1. So the we need to find the function. Required function will be what? That is P is equals to A minus BQ. The value of A is 90 minus B is 0.1, and then is Q. This is the required equation. Now moving towards the third question. The third question is, a market has a linear demand schedule with a slope of minus 10 by 3 when price is rupees 6. The slope is minus 10 by 3. Okay, I'll write here. Here the slope, that is m equals to minus 10 by 3. Okay, and when price is rupees 6 and the quantity sold is 20 unit, it means that price and quantity will make a pair. It will be what? Price is rupees 6 and the quantity sold is 20 units. Uh, we'll do this one, okay? And what we know is, the linear demand equation in slope. The linear demand equation in slope point form is given by Q minus Q1 equals to MP minus P1. This one. Then what you'll get? Q, as it is, Q1 is 20, M is minus 10 by 3, and P minus P1 is equals to 6. Or we'll solve it. Q minus 20. Okay, we'll multiply this one directly. This 3 with Q equals to 3Q minus 60 equals to minus 10P plus it is 60. Or what you will get? 10p plus 10p plus 3q is equal 3q minus 120 equals to 0. Or what we'll do is 10p equals to minus 3q plus 120, or p equals to minus 3 by 10q plus it is 12. And now what is given over here? I'll do over here. When what will be the price if quantity sold is 10 unit? Now over here, if the quantity sold is 10 units, then what will be the price? The price will be minus 3 by 10 into 10 plus 12. It is minus 3 plus 12. It will be what? Okay, quantity, it will be the price will be okay. The p equals to minus 3 by 10 cube plus 12 minus 3 what is to obtain. Now when the quantity will be 0, then what will the price? The price will be equals to p equals to minus 3 by 10 into 0 plus 12. It is 0 plus 12 is equals to, it will be 12. Okay. And then when price equals to 0, then 0 equals to minus 3 by 10 q plus 12. What you will get? Or this minus 3q plus 12 into 10 by 10 equals to 0. Or it will be minus 3q plus 120 equals to 0, or 3q equals to 120, or q equals to, it is 40. Means, hence, what you can write is that demand schedule, demand schedule, hit the price, hit the price axis at p equals to 12, and hit the quantity axis, hit the quantity axis at q equals to 40. Similarly, the next question is also over there. What is given? What is the price if quantity sold is 10 units? What is the quantity of the price if it is sold as 10 units? And similarly, when quantity equals to 10 units, then as the obtained relation is p equals to minus 3 by 10 q plus 12 is there, then we'll substitute the value of q as 10 over there into 10 plus 12. Only p equals to this 10 10 one time, it is minus 3 plus 12, or P equals to, it is 9. The price will be 9. Therefore, when the quantity is 10, the price will be rupees 9 for the quantity 10 units. Uh, also, see what we need to find is also how much would be sold at the price of rupees 3. How much will be sold as price rupees 3 means also if price goes to 3, then what will be the quantity? What will be the quantity means we have what we have price equals to minus 3 by 10 cube plus 12. Then we are going to substitute the value of P as 3 minus 3 by 10 cube plus 12, or what it will be 3 equals to minus 3 cube plus 10 into 12 is 120 by 10 right over here, or minus 3 cube plus 120 equals to 10 into 3 is 30, or minus 3 cube equals to 30 minus 120, or minus 3 cube equals to minus 90, or q equals to 30. It means that therefore when the price is rupees 3, the quantity q will be 30 units. Okay, we have finished till question number 3. Now moving towards question number 4. What is in question number 4? The slope of the demand equation is minus 8. The slope is minus 8. Okay, let me write the solution here. Solution here, the slope, that is m is equals to minus 8 over here. When the price of the mobile set is rupees 10,000, the quantity demanded is 1 lakh units. Find the equation of the demand function in the form of P equals to F peak. P equals to function in terms of Q. Now, what to do over here means what is given over here? Mobile set is rupees 10,000. Mobile set is rupees 10,000 means the price equals to 10,000. Let it be write 10 in terms of 1000, and the quantity is 1 lakh. That will be 100 in terms of 1000, so that it will be easy for us to solve. Therefore, P1 comma Q1 will be equals to 10 comma 100. Now the equation uh, the equation of 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 the demand equation in slope point form. In slope point form is given by q minus q1 is equals to m p minus p1. Over here, this x equals to price and y equals to quantity. We'll substitute the value, or q minus q1, it is 100, m equals to minus 8, price p minus p1 equals to 10, or what you'll get, q minus 100 equals to minus 8p plus 80, or bring this over here, 8p equals to minus q plus 100 plus 80, or 8p equals to minus q plus 180, or p equals to minus 1 over 8 q plus 180 by 8. Okay, means this is the equation, or this will be the equation. That means this is price is in the form of which is in the form of p is the function in terms of q. Similarly, if the price is equals to rupees 12,000, then q equals to what? As this can be written as 12 in terms of thousand, because in previously we have mentioned in terms of thousand. Then instead of 12,000, write p equals to 12. What we have, the price equals to minus 1 by 8 q plus 180 by 8, or it can be written as p equals to minus q plus 180 by 8, or the price is 12. Our price equals to minus q plus 180 by 8. We'll multiply 12 into 8 is 96, minus q plus 180, or this q equals to 180 minus 96. If we further multiply it, or what you'll get, q equals to 180 minus, it is 180 minus 96 equals to 84. Q equals to 84. It is in what? In thousand. Therefore, when price is equals to rupees 12,000, then the quantity will be 84,000. This is till up to the question number 4. Now moving on to question number 5. What is in question number 5? A man sells, what is given? A man sells 40 units of output when price is rupees 34 and 30 units when price is 36. If the demand schedule is linear, what is the specific form of the demand function? Use this function to predict. Over here, first we need to find the demand function, and then by the help of this demand function, we need to find the quantity when the price was rupees 2 and the price when quantity is 20 units. Okay, let's move on. Solution. Here, see here, the two condition is given. The first one is let we write the price and the quantity. The price is 34 for 40 units, means we can write it as 34 comma 40 as P1 and Q1, and then P2 second price and second quantity. Second price quantity is 30, price is 36, means we'll write 36 with 30. 36 with 30. Now what we have is that the linear demand equation, the linear demand equation, the linear demand equation in double point form, in a point form, double point form is given by q minus q1 equals to q2 minus q1 over, it is q2 minus q1 over, um, it will be p2 minus p1 and then p minus p1. We'll substitute the value. What we'll get? Q, in terms of Q, Q1 is 40 and Q2 is 30 minus 40. P2, the price is 36 minus 34, and then P minus P1 is 34. Or Q minus 40 equals to 30 minus 4 minus 10 over 2 P minus 34. Or Q minus 40 equals to is minus 5 P minus 34. Or Q minus 40 equals to minus 5P plus S 34 into 5, it is 170. Or we need to find, or 5P equals to Q plus 40 plus 170, or 5P equals to Q plus 210. Or not 5P, it will be, we need to find the P is Q plus 210 divided by 5. If you multiply this Q by 5, 1 by 5, it will be negative. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Negative. Actually, minus 0.2 Q plus it will be 42. This is the demand. This is the demand function. Okay, and then what you need to find after obtaining the demand function, uh, find basically the quantity sold when price is rupees 2. Quantity sold when price is rupees 2. Now, when price equals to rupees 2, then quantity equals to what? We need to find the quantity. Price equals to, or price 2 equals to 0.2 Q plus 42. It is minus, okay? Or what you can do is 0.2 Q equals to 42 minus 2, or Q equals to 40 by 0.2. Therefore, Q equals to, it will be 200. It will be 200. It means that price, if the price is rupees 2, then the quantity will be 200 units. Also, what is given? What is the price if quantity sold is 20 units? Similarly, quantity equals to 20 units. Then what will be the price? We'll keep this this value in this equation. Or price is equals to minus 0.2, quantity is 20 plus 42. Or what you'll get, it's minus, it's 4. Minus 4 plus 42, or price equals to is 38. Therefore, the price will be rupees 38 for the quantity. How many units? 20 units. Now moving towards the sixth question, number 6. On a linear demand schedule, quantity sold falls from 120 to 100 when the price rises from 40 to 850. Find the demand function. We need to find the demand function. It means P equals to minus uh, something Q plus B, or B minus, sorry, it's A minus, sorry, it's A minus BQ. Okay, here see, quantity falls from 120 to 100 and prices from 40 to 50 means uh, The price 40 and 120 will be one pair, and 50 comma 100 will be the another pair. Okay, now moving solution. Here, what is given? The price P1 and the Q1. For 40, it is 120. P2, Q2 means for 50, the quantity is 100. 50 and it's 100. The linear, demand function, in point form. Double point form is given by Q minus Q1 equals to Q2 minus Q1 over P2 minus P1 and then P minus P1. Okay, or the value of Q1, it's 120. Q2 equals to is 100 minus 120. P2 price is 50 minus 40. P minus P1 is equals to 40. Now solving this, what you will get? 120 equals to minus 20 over 10 and then P minus 40, or it will be Q minus 120 equals to minus 2 P minus 40, or Q minus 120 equals to minus 2P plus it is 80. Or we need to find the value of P. Then 2P equals to minus Q plus 120 plus 80, or P equals to minus Q plus 200 by 2. Okay, or P equals to it is minus it will be 1 by 2 means 0.5 Q plus it is 100 is the demand function. It is the demand function. It's clear. Okay, after finding this one, yes, find the demand function. We have obtained the demand function. Use the demand function to predict the price for the quality sold to fall to zero. Quality is sold to fall to zero means similarly, uh, that means when the price when the price would what is given similarly, uh, when that quantity equals to zero, then price equals to what? We need to find that one. Okay, so we'll use this relation, that is P equals to minus 0.5 Q is 0 plus 100, or P equals 0.5 is 0 plus 100, or price is equals to rupees 100. Means when the quantity is 0, the price is 100. It means that therefore the price is rupees 100 for what? Quantity equals to 0. Means uh, mm, the price for the quantity sold to fall to 0 means when the quantity is 0, then what will be the price? The price will be 100. Now moving towards uh, this seventh question, that means the last question for this video. Okay, solution here. Let's read out the question. For a linear supply function, if the price of paint increases from 100 to 80, if the supply of the paint increases from 22 to 2400, means same thing over here, just like the previous one. What we'll do is here price and the quantity. Price over here is 1000 uh, for this quantity, 2200 means is 1000 to 2200. And similarly, P2, it will be what? 1200 to 2400. That means 1200 for 2400 quantity. Okay, now the supply function in double intercept form. The supply function in double intercept form is given by q minus q1 equals to q2 minus q1 over p2 minus p1 p minus p1. This is the relation. We'll substitute the value. Q minus q1 is 2200. P2 q2 equals to is 2400 minus 2200 over 1200 minus 1000. Then P minus P1, the price is 1000, or Q minus 2200 equals to, it is 200 over 200 P minus 1000. It will be Q minus 2200 equals to P minus 1000. Or what it will be? P equals to Q minus 2200 plus 1000, or the P equals to Q minus, it is 1200. P equals to Q minus 1200. This is the supply. This is the supply function in the form of P function of Q. Okay, then when now what is given? Estimate the quantity of pens supplied at the rate of rupees 800. That means now when the price is equals to rupees 800, what will be the quantity? We'll substitute the value in this equation, or that P equals to 800 equals to Q minus 1200, or the Q will be equals to 800 plus 1200, or Q equals to 2000. Therefore, when the price is rupees 800, the quantity will be 2000 units. And let's see next one. Um, what must be the price of the pen so that the quantity supply will be 3000 units? Also, if the quantity equals to supplied equals to 3000 units, what is the price? We'll substitute this value in the obtained equation. That is, our P equals to 3000 minus 1200. Our price is equals to 3000 minus 1200 is 1800. Therefore, the price will be rupees 1800 for what? For the quantity. How many units? 3000 units. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you everyone for watching this video.